Hello and welcome back to Python, and today we are gonna try to create procedural generated images. And in this tutorial I will give us kind of a blueprint, so you can you can edit the code I give you in any direction, so you can create your own kind of procedural generated pictures. It's just a fun thing to play with. It can't mess, for example, with it can't match any artificial intelligence in regards of quality. It is just for fun. And maybe if you want, for example, if you had assets for a little role play and you want to give the assets random colors, or wanna change objects and attach random images, this library can still be quite useful in this case. So let's go on. First of all, we need to import PIL, and you have to use pip install PIL, or like me, if I'm using an IDE, I can just move my cursor on PIL of the import PIL and click on install. It's already installed. So if PIL is installed, you choose from PIL install, not install, I mean import image and image draw. To create a new image, like an object, it's pretty simple. You use from the image package, you use image new, takes 3 arguments. The common one you always do is red, I guess green and blue does it. The uppercase letters in the string here stands for red, green, blue. Then you have your width and height, so your like 600 and 800, which is the size. And now the main color is white. And now we need to draw our image. Draw equals image point. Oh no, it's from the image. This one is from the image draw package, image draw point image draw. In this case, just draw image. Now let's save our image, like image point save my image point PNG, and image point show. And if we now click 1, we get this. Oh, I should show you 1 second. So the image looks just like that, just a white image. Now back to our code, and let's draw 1 point. Draw image point draw. No, you just need draw point. I looked it up because I forgot about that. And first input is the coordinates where the point is drawn. So like let's import random. Import random, and random point rand integer between 0 and 600. And second one is random point rand int between 1 and 700. Let's do 500 here. And why are here so many brackets? Oh, it's just 3 brackets. So now next one are the colors, which is random point rand int something between 0 and 255. We have to type fill equals. I forgot a bracket. So now it makes sense. Fill equals random rand int 300. And again and again. So let's try it out. Okay, I didn't see any point. I don't have to show you that. But yeah. Let's do it with more points. Maybe it weren't enough for in range 1000. Okay, now it seemed to work. Let me show you. This is kind of cool. Now we have a white space with many points in different colors. And yeah. So now we already have something like a blueprint. Now you can, for example, on this thing, you can draw things like rectangles, stuff like that, draw your own forms. Let's choose your own forms by random. Yeah, and you can mess up really great with that. Can be even useful if you wanna create like procedural generated dungeons in a 2D RPG or stuff like that. You should play with that. Yeah, and with that in mind, I'm finished. And wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, nighttime, whatever time it is in your country. It was a kind of short video, but I hope you could learn something with that. And yes, see you and bye bye. Hello, no, not the first word. Hello and welcome back to Python with another hello ho ho and welcome to a new tutorial showcase of Python. Yeah, and in today's video we